We have completed chapter number 1, but now we will discover the different mouth letters. We will begin from the throat letters. Most learners, most Quran learners, they read these letters naturally from the throat. So why you cannot? So today I will teach you those letters which pronounce from the throat. Most Quran learners, they release sound naturally from the throat in the pronunciation of these 6 letters. So why you cannot? Because the first thing, you don't know the articulation point of these letters. You don't know how we have to pronounce these letters. If you will try with me, if you will know the difference between them, so then easily you will able to pronounce these letters and never you will involve yourself in doing mistakes. So today we will begin from these 6 letters. First of all, these are called throat letters. Throat letters. Ha, kha, ha, kha, ha, kha, ha, kha, ain, ghain, ain, ghain, ha, hamzah, ha, hamzah, ha, hamzah, ha, hamzah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 letters which pronounce from the throat. Okay, in the throat there are subparts of pronouncing these letters. Hamzah, ha. These both letters pronounce from the lower part of the throat, which is near to the chest. Hamzah, ha, sound like release from the heart side. Hamzah, ha. Then ain and ha. Ain and ha, these both are pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Middle part of the throat. Ha, ain, ha, ain, ha. Then ghain, kha. These both letters pronounced from the upper part of the throat, which is near to the mouth. Ghain, kha, ghain, kha. Okay? If you will try to understand these letters, if you will practice with me, so inshallah, too early you will be able to recite like Islamic teachers. So, thank you.